Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on an official trailer of a web series that is called Dude.
Yes, and this is by Alright.
Yes.
So Alright is a great content creation channel, and they mainly make very different kinds of web series.
Yes.
Very interesting contents they always make.
Yeah.
And please make sure that go to their channel and subscribe them.
Yes.
And let's get started with Dude official trailer.
Yes.
I hope this is going to be very interesting kind of a content web series. So let's get started. We'll be talking more about this after seeing this video, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please make sure subscribe this channel and also please click on the notification bell,
And also please follow us on Instagram.
Yes, so let's get started.
Yes.
I think to step into someone's mind, to be able to think like them. अगर तुम उनकी तरह सोच पाओगे ना बेटा, तो तुम्हें समझ आ जाएगा कि किसी की क्या मोटिवेशन रही होगी कुछ भी करने की. And to think like someone else, you have to step into their shoes. And I think that is the best quality of a detective.
Okay, here's that guy.
Maybe.
तो ये गुड़गांव का केस है. दो लोग थे, हट्टे कट्टे वाले भुसंड. बस तब से बेचारा सैम गया बच्चा. मुझे तो गुस्से में लग रहा है ये थोड़ा. कॉफी के लिए चल सकते हैं क्या?
मैं कॉफी नहीं पीती.
ये केस मेरी एजेंसी का था. तू वहां पर मेरी एजेंसी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा था. कोई पर्सनल रीजन से वहां पर नहीं गया था तू.
मैं भी तो तेरा बाप हूँ. मेरा क्या? मेरा क्या?
Wow,
Wow.
this is very high categorized, and I think like the creation of this trailer is unbelievably awesome.
I like it.
I
And
like
this,
it.
This
Yes.
web series is releasing on YouTube, on their YouTube channel, so
Yes.
from 27th February.
Yes, so stay tuned for
Yes.
that. We are also super duper excited.
Right.
And yeah, let's talk about on this official trailer
Yes.
first, because it was looking the execution and the picturization, everything was looking
Yes.
very
Even the music,
professional.
BGM,
Haan.
background music was
Yes.
super.
So it shows that they are totally into making this web series, and
Yes.
not as this is very high class
And also,
professional.
they are giving a lot of effort also.
Yes,
like
it
whatever
was
the camera
showing.
angle we have seen, right? And whatever the music and all
Correct.
that, and editing also. One thing is to be noted here. So editing was also superb. I
Superb.
like that. Right?
Yes.
And let's talk about the story of this particular web series. What you like or what you are thinking after watching this trailer.
So it is a very what I can say, like it is a little bit complicated kind of a story, a complicated life of a child whose mother, I think, was a detective, or she was literally
She
know
was-
a lot of things, knew a lot of
Or
things
some
about
brilliant mind,
Haan.
right?
Yes, that is why she was giving the lesson about how you can be a great detective in your life.
Or you can think about like what people are thinking about them, right?
About them.
Yes.
And after that, I think he has become that detective,
Detective. He
and
joined
he
some
was
agency,
and there also that Malik of the agency is always
Yes.
like rude, or he was kind of like upset about his work.
Yes.
Not
I think
sure why,
lastly,
and
because
then
upset was the part what I felt like
Yeah.
he indulged into something else while doing his detective activities, and also
He was indulged,
into
himself
something
into
something
something
else.
else.
So
Yes.
we don't know what was that. So I think as we like detective series and all, like Southern India and all,
Yes.
I will love this series
yes,
particularly.
yes. We are going to love this series.
Yes.
Moreover, and yes, also here we can see a lot of kind of romance also, because one lady was there, he was telling that coffee pe chalo, and she was, no, I don't like coffee. So
Of course, romance
this is
will be there.
this is mixed of everything, like detective भी होगा, and kind of like romance का जो झलक होता है ना, वो भी हम देखने को मिलेगा हमें. तो definitely like it is a outstanding you can say series is going to be.
This series will be, as you told, like it will be having some complex stories, so you
what I
have to,
understood.
while watching, you have to focus on
Focus
this.
on this.
You can't remove your or think something else.
हाँ,
Right?
and I have full faith on All Right creation, because if you see All Right के सारे videos, they all are having some significant meaning of their
And
web series.
Also, we have seen earlier a lot of the contents,
Yeah.
not on
हाँ, we
camera
have-
but off
yes.
camera. We have seen they create a lot of good contents.
Yes,
also,
yes,
right?
they create amazing contents, and all the contents are having different kinds of meaning into it.
And
Like
the
the
different
significance are
flavor,
different.
you can say.
Flavor, uniqueness. So this is going to be
Right.
super duper
Because,
video.
as of now, we haven't seen
Web
any
series,
content
yeah.
creator they are creating on detective or something like suspense or suspicious
true.
kind of a web series, right?
Yes,
Mostly they used to create on love series or office series, something like
वेरी
that.
लेस एक्चुअली, और बनाते भी है उतना
Actually-
मतलब समझ में नहीं आता, या वैसा टाइप का होता है कि उतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं बनता, बट दिस इज लुकिंग
Right.
a lot promising.
I think
to be
this
very
kind
frank.
of content is a bit risky. It can sometimes it can bore audience also. That's why they have taken that risk too much, and they have
True.
come up with this web series.
Yes.
So of course, the people who loves suspense kind of or like detective kind of series, they are going to love it.
They are going to love it. Yes. And also, what do you think about the cast characters?
I think Ambrish Verma.
Ambrish Verma.
Is the lead role here. He's acting as a detective, right?
हाँ,
I think
he is acting.
He's
He's
that.
that young
for me, he's
wala.
a new face. You can tell, and yes, his attitude I like it. While riding the bike, he was having that cigarette.
हाँ, but did you notice that he was having a emotion in his eyes,
Yes,
like
a little
somewhat
bit pain,
I
like
felt,
that.
yes,
Pain.
a pain is there, like a lot of stories are there behind his eyes, like he is like wanting to tell something, but he cannot.
Maybe
Hidden
while
pain.
doing his detective job or
हाँ.
something like that. So he have felt or got hurt due to
heartbroken or something like
something,
that.
right?
Yes, so this web series is full of thrill, full of mystery. So we are going to reveal the mystery, you can say, okay, after
And
seeing
I
the
think
web
this
series.
is season 1 official trailer, right?
This is
Okay.
season 1. Yeah, and I really love the mother character.
Yes.
The way she was
Yes,
telling, she
that
was
a
having
bold
a
character, right?
very bold.
I like her voice. The way she was conveying her message to her child.
हाँ.
That was awesome.
Awesome.
Right?
And probably she is the single mother. What I felt,
I
I'm
feel
not
like
sure.
it's the way it was showing.
It was showing
like that.
the
only,
bonding
yes.
was like that only. She was very bold, she was having pain also, and she was leading the whole life by herself. It was looking like that. So moreover, everything, like it was looking so promising, the web series, and we are surely going to watch this web series, guys. Okay, so make sure that you go and subscribe their channel, and if you like today's content or reaction, then please subscribe this channel also as well. Hit the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.